sognato di volare con te su una bici di diamanti. Noto con i brividi. I have 2 hours sleeping, but because yesterday I did a concert in Madrid, but I'm super excited, obviously, to stay here and do rehearsals. I know that my voice tone is a little bit like, you know, zombie, but I hope to do a good job.
Now, time to sleep.
No, I have like 4 interviews.
But how is it?
I will sleep during the interview. Could be a good idea.
Hey, what's up? I'm Sam Ryder. Getting ready to go on, just done my in-ear mix, and we are ready to go. I'm stoked about it. Let's see what happens. Yeah, that was wicked. I think I'm excited for Saturday, and yeah, next steps. Let's go. Stay true to yourself. Bye.
Let's go. Llegó la mami, la reina, la dura, una Bugatti. El mundo tan.
I feel good. I feel super concentrated, and I want to enjoy. ¡Ay! Empezó derecha, ¿no?
Siempre te reí, pa' romper caderas, romper corazones. Solo existe una, no es que imitación. Si aún no me crees, le tratamos de hacer. Se te pidió mucho.
¡Oh, Dios mío! Okay, very good. The stage is huge, and I'm so excited to perform next. 14 de mayo.
Hyped, to be honest. I'm so much looking forward to stand on this infamous stage. It's just crazy. I've seen so many pictures, but I'm sure when you're standing on it, that moment is just going to be so massive and so amazing. I'm very excited to see my setting for the first time, the whole staging. And yeah, I can't wait. Sounds good on my ears, so everybody's doing a great job around me. So yeah, feels good to be here.